In this video, I want to show you how to factory reset any dehumidifier. Doesn't matter what brand you have. You can have an LG, a GE, Media, Amazon Basics, Energy Star, whatever brand that you have. Pretty much I'll show you how to reset any of them. Alright, so first things first, look and see if you see a reset button on the top, or sometimes they're on the side. It'll be like a little button that you could push. Sometimes the reset button is actually on the power cord where you would plug it in. So if you see it, what I want you to do is have it turned off, unplug it, then hold down the reset button. If it's on the unit itself, hold it down for 5 seconds. If it's on the power cord, hold it down for 5 seconds, either or, while it's unplugged. Then plug it back in. And then while it's plugged in, do it again. Reset, hold down the reset button for 5 seconds. It could be on the power cord or on below it or above it. Reset button, hold it down. Now, if your dehumidifier does not have a reset button, there's another way you can do it. Only thing you have to do is unplug it. And what we're going to do is wait a full 30 minutes. That will do a full factory reset. And then before you plug it back in, hold down the power button while it's unplugged for 10 seconds. And basically that's going to reset all the controls and set it up like it's factory settings. And sometimes that will fix a lot of little glitches and problems that dehumidifiers have by doing a power cycle recycle on a dehumidifier. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. If for whatever reason your dehumidifier is conked out, it is very common for the compressors to go out on them. A lot of times you can hear them start grinding, and then they won't collect water. You can get a repair person to do it. I do have tutorials on how to troubleshoot that. But if you're looking for a new dehumidifier, you can get one on Amazon. This is a GE, and you can get an Energy Star for like around $150. I'll put a link on Amazon where you can get that in the comment section. All right, thanks again, and make sure you subscribe.